Hello everyone and welcome to Chord Studios. Today I am going to show you the difference between a chord and a triad, okay? Now, a chord and a triad can be the exact same thing. However, when it comes to adding a fourth note in a chord, that is what make it no longer a triad, okay? So I'm going to show you all that today. So let's start with a chord, a C major chord, okay? This is a C major chord, C, E, and G, okay? Now this is also called a C major triad. And the reason why is because there are only 3 notes in the chord. Tri means 3. So triad, you have C, E, and G. Okay? So this is called a C major chord and C major triad. Okay. Now, when I add a fourth note to the chord, this is no longer called a triad, okay? Now, this is only called a chord, a 7th chord to be exact, okay? So now you have your C major 7th chord. Why is this called a 7th chord? It's because when you look at your scale, this is why it's so important to know your major and minor scales. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C, okay? This B right here is the 7th note in the C major scale. So in the C major scale, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that is why it is called a 7th chord. 1, 3, 5, 7. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C major 7th chord. Okay, so this is no longer called a triad. This is not a triad because there are not 3 notes in the chord, okay? If I were to take away the B, now we're going back to the triad, okay? But normally, this is most commonly called a C major chord, okay? Most of the times, you wouldn't necessarily call it a C major triad because that name alone can make it more complicated for people to think like, okay, what is that again? You know, but in music theory terms, triad is very common to name on this chord. Okay, so that is the difference between a chord and a triad. I hope that you all have enjoyed this lesson today. If you have any questions, you can contact us at contact@chordstudios.com. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Chord Studios. We'll be posting more videos next week and the weeks to come. Okay, so thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.